Hey, what's up everyone? Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today, I want to give you a little behind the scenes peek at our video production, how we put videos together. We are in the middle of a hard push on YouTube, really trying to crank out some social media content so you guys can see what we do. I thought it would be cool to give you just a little peek behind the scenes. We're currently working on a Cadillac Escalade with a pretty good shot in the roof rail. And I've got my little rolling YouTube setup going, as well as a cool mount for our mirrorless camera. So come on back and check it out and give you a little peek into what we do. If you like this video, make sure you drop some comments about what you would like to see more of. Let's go check it out. All right, so we know that dent repair isn't always the most interesting thing to watch, but here's a little peek at how we make videos. So we've got this heavy duty light stand. We got some different rigs and some arms. Today, I'm shooting a real high angle time lapse. In fact, let me see if we can't climb up here and show you what we're shooting. So we're working on that Cadillac. We've got an iPhone up here on our rig, powered by a battery, running Lapsit Pro, taking a photo every second of the repair. Of course, I use my iPhone all the time, right? We've got some gimbals we'll use for that. Up here on the truck, thanks to Mike Toledo and a little shout out from Dent Time, we've got this really cool mount. Delkin, I believe. Yeah, Delkin makes it. This thing is rock solid, and I'm able to put my mirrorless camera on there to get in and show you it. In fact, here's the damage we're working on. A wicked little shot in the rail across the body line. On this particular one, we're actually running a Rode mic, so I can get a little better audio for you. If you're buying a mirrorless or a DSLR, make sure you can put that mic in and get there. And then myself on my phone, I am using Filmic Pro. So let me flip it around and talk about that for a second. In fact, let me see if I can grab a screenshot. Yeah, we'll put that screenshot in the video for you. All right, so I'm using Filmic Pro, which is a paid app, but it gives you complete control over everything. My favorite part is I can use my AirPods as a Bluetooth microphone and record my audio with the phone right through my AirPods. Little tech tip for you on that. If you were going to do that, turn your volume all the way down, because it actually monitors the audio as well. So that's a little annoying to say the least, to hear yourself say exactly everything you're saying pumped through your AirPods. So that's it. That's just a little behind the scenes of how we're shooting this video. So we've got the mirrorless camera set up there with the Rode mic, and up high, right, for sort of a little different perspective, we've got another iPhone, and of course this iPhone running Filmic Pro. So leave a comment if you would like to see more behind the scene videos of how we're doing our video. And that's it. Guys, if you have any questions, reach out to us at dentrepairnow.com, or you can give me an email, gene@dentrepairnow.com. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. We love doing this stuff. We really are enjoying the feedback we're getting from the videos. So I wanted to make sure that we got this video out there. All right, guys, see ya.